settings.
Okay, it's been recording now.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm going to my Telegram and I am in the settings.
Let me connect my mouse.
Are you adjusting the settings on your momentum, Tia?
Yes, yes.
I'm trying to, but it's not giving me the option. It's not.
Okay, I will control your screen. Once you share your screen, I will do it for you. Okay. But
All
first,
right.
let's come to my presentation.
Okay. Let me get back to you.
Yeah.
All right, I'm here.
Okay, may I start now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So the patterns that we see right now, we can use these patterns and we can catch the breakouts once they start breaking like this. See, so let me show you the, hold on, I share my browser, maybe entire screen. I need to share my entire screen. There we go. So here is the patterns where the market works according to these patterns. So forex, stock market, and crypto, these pattern works in all markets. So even if you don't know how to draw these patterns, and the Armour do the job for you. If you look at this automatic chart patterns, all different time frames will give you the different patterns. So right now, what we are seeing right now is a falling wedge. Okay, so 31% chance of falling wedge to break downside. Okay, 31%. Sorry, it's 39% chance of breaking downside, and 61% chance of breaking upside of falling wedge. Let's make it smaller. So falling wedge works like this. So what we need to do, we need to catch this breakout. So we need to watch if these candles, they go below this green line, we short. If they go above from this red line, we long. Simple as that. So look at this now. So this is a falling wedge. So 61% time it breaks to the upside. So here is from the top, we enter and exit. Here is the target. And the rising wedge is opposite. So rising wedge, 61% chance of breaking downside and 9% chance of breaking upside. So what we are witnessing now is 39% chance. Here it's broken downside. So this line is broken. It's very visible, and we can enter from the break after the breakout. So if you switch the chart, we will see the different patterns. So here is another pattern. Let's see. This is showing the triangle also broken downside. Let's keep moving the time frames. Come on, click here. Look, what we see right now on 20 minutes is a falling broadening wedge. And look at this on the Google. When we type falling broadening wedge pattern, look, it, whenever it keeps dropping, the movement becomes very volatile. The movement becomes bigger and bigger, and the breakout is massive to the upside, as we can see here. All falling wedges are like that. It becomes volatile, A, B, C, D. After the third touch to the downside, it breaks to the upside. Very massive breakout. So let's move to the chart. So it's coming down right now, and we can see the head and shoulders right now. And we just broken the neckline, in my opinion. See, so here to here, we've broken the neckline and it's dropping down. It should go very low. So that's Euro USD. Let's move on to the another time frame. Look, so that's my trend line, and it will break downside, maybe 1.12, somewhere there. So this is showing the rising channel. Let's keep moving to the another pattern. See, the patterns are changing with the moving time frames.
Oh,
Look, so this is some sort of support, as we can see on 3 hours. This is some sort of support. This is holding the support. If this support is broken, then imagine the drop, the kind of drop, and how much pips we can make. This will be a massive drop.
yeah.
0.18. Let's move to the 4 hours. Similar. So it's holding the support. So in my opinion, it should bounce. According to the 4 hours, it should bounce. If not broken. And why it will bounce, why I'm saying that, why it's looking like a rising broadening wedge. Let me show you. So I show you the falling broadening wedge. Now rising broadening wedge. Look. Okay, now you see what I'm saying. Look.
Yes. I see it.
Let me make this bigger. Look. See, becoming more volatile. And why it will bounce, let me show you. It's very simple. So Armour draw the patterns automatically for you, and you need to catch the breakout. And it also tells you if it's a fake out or no. If it's a fake pump or a fake dump, no other indicator in the market will tell you if it's a fake pump or fake dump, but Armour will tell you, look, it's a fake out, no other indicator will tell you. Let me show you how to detect a fake pump or fake dump. So if you go to the settings here, settings, and go to input, you will see the bear trap color is blue. So when you see the blue color, that means it should bounce up. This dump, according to the 4 hour, is a fake dump. It is still going down, but it will hold this support. The green support you see, it will hold this one. And after that, it will bounce from here, from the bottom. It will touch. It already touched. It's about to bounce soon, in just few hours. So let me show you how blue line, this blue bear trap, how it works. So whenever you see blue line, expect a pump coming soon. So look at the blue line here, pump after that. Blue line, after the support hit, pump. Again, after the support hit, pump to the upside. Let's go to the history a little bit. Here, blue line, pump. Blue line, after that, pump. See? Blue line here. I hope you know what I mean.
Yes.
So that's how we can detect if the dump is fake or real dump. So next move in just few hours, maybe tomorrow, it will bounce up. And when we
Griffith, can you hear me?
yes, I hear you.
Okay, question.
Yeah.
Where would you go in? I don't see the entry. We were looking at your Griffith momentum for the entry sign. Where do you look to use the entry to get in at for anywhere here?
I'm about to cover that. Wait, right now.
Okay.
So here is the previous support, the previous high. Okay. Who's making this background noise, please? Yeah, thank you. So when we see a previous high like this, it's a previous high, and this is a support. So we take a long entry from here and we exit here. We are not greedy. Okay, we cannot, nobody can 100% of the profit, 100% profit from the 100% move. So we need to take profit step by step. We enter here, we exit here. And how we enter, when is the right time to enter, how to use entry signals. Let me show you. So this is red right now in the 4 hours. This wave is red. Look, and we will wait for this to turn green. Whenever this will turn green, we enter, or we have a second option, which is ultra instinct. Look, it is showing the red X. Let me remove this one. It is showing the red X. So whenever it shows the triangle, we enter. Or if you see this is a like lagging or something like that, the scalper is more faster. That's why I call it scalper. We can use it for scalping. It is more fast. So whenever it changed the color, we enter. So there are two types of entries that we can take. Even if we don't use any other indicator, we only use technical analysis, Armour indicator, we can take two type of entries. So example, if you have a $100, okay, and you want to enter with the $100. So what we will do, we enter in two parts. So $50. So wait here. So I enter right now with the $50 here. Okay, $50 here. I enter right now. And if it goes up and we have this wave turns green, we add $50 more. A little bit high, we add $50 more. So whenever it hits to that support right here, then we exit here. We count our pips and we exit. Why not 100%? Because it's not wise to invest $100 at the whenever we see the support hitting. So this is not wise. So what we do instead, we wait for next support to hit. Here is a next support, because here is a previous, the old bounce back. Here is a lot of volume. People put so many buy orders right here because it bounced back, look, so much higher from this price. So what we do, instead, if it drops, if this support is broken, we add our $50 here. And now what will happen? Our average buying price shall be here. Look, Now this is our average buying price, which is 1.125. We invested here. We invested $50 here right now at the price of 1.130, and the second order at 1.123. So our average buying price should, will be in somewhere between this level here. Our average buying price here in the middle, 1.17, somewhere here. So once it will bounce back from here, or it will, we can, whenever it retest, we can exit here. We will be in profit. Even if we enter here, wait, even if we enter here and here, so here is our, this part is our average price. So even if it bounce back, retest, we will make money, so many pips. So that's the averaging method of entering without any indicator, only with Armour or only with TA. So if you want to use indicators, so you can use scalper, like I show you, easy. And how to detect other patterns in this pattern. In this, here is a double top and double bottom. We have heard it about, many times, how double tops and double bottoms work. Easy to detect. I made a lot of money with these two patterns only. Let me show you. Let me change the time frame here. Look, it is saying DT. DT means a double top. And when to enter on the double top? Here, look. Here is a neckline. Right here is a neckline. So it works like this. It breaks down, go up, retest, and drop down. So we can enter at this area after the breakout. We can enter after the retest, or we can enter right here after the breakout. So people got scared. So retest is like a fake out to scare out people. So they, people will think that we took a wrong entry and they exit, and then later they realize they were right. So that's why price makes a retesting. So that's what are these candles? These candles are nothing. These are the behavior of the traders. The reason why you see these up and down candles and these patterns, these depicts the behavior of the traders. So here is the double top. Top number 1, top number 2, showing double top, showing M pattern, and then we enter here. We make money right here. Make money. So again, we saw another double top right here. 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 And here is also showing M pattern. Look, small, but it is still there. M. I will show you this pattern on Google. It works like this. So this is a neckline. This time this is a neckline. And look, it drops down, goes back up, retest, and drop down. So that's a double top. And similarly, we have a double bottom. Let's go back in the history to check where we can find it. Here's the 1, 2. There are many. Look, 1 is here and second is here. Look, double bottom, 1, 2, showing W, right? We had a little bit of pips here, maybe 10, 20 here. We enter here and we make money, but let me show you here. It drops after it turns red, we exit. And here is another chance to make money. Another chance. We enter here and we wait for the scalper to turn red to exit. It works. This pattern works. But sometimes depends on the volume. Look, this is another double top M pattern. And here is a perfect W pattern. Here is another one. Look, a lot of pips. We enter here, exit here. Okay, let's proceed to another patterns like bullish rectangle, bearish rectangle, rising wedge, and these symmetrical triangles. They are all available here. Let me remove the drawings, go back to 1 minute. And let's see what we got here. Oh, this is a falling wedge, just like we saw here. Falling wedge pattern, look, perfect falling wedge. Here is the entry and here is the targets. Let's watch. So it will break to the upside, but not now. You see the orange line, just like a blue line. Blue line is a bear trap. So orange line is a bull trap. So orange line means fake pump, and blue means fake dump. So I will not long here. I will wait for the breakout. Maybe it will break out from here. It will take time. It will drop down, go back up, break out from here, and then we will long. The 1 minute is just for example. You can use 15 minutes if you like. So this is a falling wedge. And which was the other pattern? Here is a double top. See, perfect double top. And here is a neckline of double top. We enter here, we exit here. Easy. And what else? Here's a symmetrical triangle. Let's find a triangle. Let's find another chart. Maybe in Bitcoin. Six hours, 1 day, 1 week. Oh my God. Look at the 6 hours. It's breaking to upside. Oh my God. This is a real big breakout. Bitcoin is about to move to the upside. So here is a bullish divergence. Come on, bullish divergence here. And it's about to break. Let's disable this one. Oh, this one. Look, perfect pattern from the Bitcoin, 6 hours. So soon we will see new highs. I'm in position right now. I am in $7,100 position. So let's wait for this. If it break out, maybe we'll make a lot of money, but not easily. It will go down first. It will retest. Let me show you. So orange line is the bear trap. So what happens after bear trap? It comes down, retest. People will think that this is a fake pump, or and they will short, and then suddenly market will bounce up like this. Oh man, so noisy here. These dogs. Where I was here. I wanted to find this triangle with the pattern. Let me remove drawings. So this is a triangle. It breaks to the upside. Sometimes it breaks to the downside. Let me find if we can find a better pattern. Look, I found it. So triangle is a 50. It works like a 50-50%. So 50% chance to break upside. Okay, 50% chance of breaking upside and 50% chance of breaking downside. So it could break in either direction. So we need to wait for which line breaks first. Red line, if breaks to the top, then we long. If breaks from the bottom, we short. So it works as a 50-50%. So that's how symmetrical triangle works. Look, so we see descending triangle and ascending triangle. Ascending triangle is an extremely bullish pattern. So it works like 80% of the time. Ascending triangle breaks upside and 20% of the time breaks downside. Maybe we can say 70% times. 70% times breaks upside and 30% times breaks downside. But the chance of breaking to the either side is still exists. It's not like short downside movement or upside. So ascending triangle, let's find. So this is like a diamond bottom here. We will see diamond pattern as well. Let's disable this one for now. And how I draw my diamond, I draw like this. That's how I draw my diamond. See? So this is a diamond pattern. So if the move is coming from top to bottom, if the move is like this, and you see diamond forming, price stuck inside the range, moves like this, it start becoming volatile and shrinking like this, then we call it diamond bottom. So diamond bottom, as suggested by the name, it should break upside. So this is the bottom, diamond bottom pattern. And if you see the diamond like this up from upside, you will see price going to the upside, forming a diamond, then it breaks downside. So that will say, we can say that's diamond top and diamond bottom. I hope I made it clear.
Yes.
Yes. And there are just two more patterns left. We can detect them easily. So there are more in this one. DB here, see, DB means double bottom, DT means double top. Let's move on. Here is a bearish pennant. We saw it before. And a bullish rectangle. So bullish rectangle is like we can say bull flag. It's like bull flag pattern, or we can say bullish rectangle. We have seen it many times. Goes up and hold on. Let me zoom in. Yeah. Price goes up. It forms a flag like this, and after that, after this top resistance is broken, price moves to the upside. We can detect it on the Armour and also bear flag. Let me remove, go to the other time frame. So here is a look. No, this is like another pattern. It's a diamond pattern. I guess it's not available here because it already breaks to the other direction. It's forming another pattern.
Griffith, I have a question for you.
Yes.
My question is, are we able to see the patterns call out as they're forming? Whether it was like the crab or the butterfly or the head and shoulders?
Yes, yes.
It is starts saying like DB as it's forming, or DT?
No, don't wait for the flag. Don't wait for the flag to tell you what is this. We can detect it manually. So that's why I added the zigzag function. So if you disable zigzag, click OK. So you will see these lines will be disabled. So see, no more lines here, no more zigzag. So that's why I added these lines, so we can detect the patterns manually. Look, this is a perfect falling wedge. So this is the Australian dollar on 1 minute. Let me check on the other time frames where we can see how to detect the patterns. Let's watch 5 minutes. 15 minutes. This is a solid breakdown side. This is not looking bullish on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 20. And I also want to cover one more thing, which is these labels, yellow label and the blue label. Yellow label means it's a bullish divergence, and blue label means it's a bearish divergence. After this bearish divergence confirms, price breaks downside. If bullish divergence confirm, this scalper turns green, then it breaks to the upside. So that's how these two labels works. You can enable these labels, and from here, select only, show only last divergence. Go to inputs. Now select show only last divergence. If you disable this, you will see plenty of labels like this. You will be so much confused. So what you want to see is the latest one, which will help you for your next move. So click on show only last divergence. See, easy. Now let's come on the butterfly and the other patterns you are talking about. I just disabled it. You can enable Gartley, crab, T crab, bat, shark, cipher. I enable all. You can all use this, look. So if you see the butterfly pattern, if you don't know what is butterfly, just simply go to Google Images, click on the butterfly pattern. Trading, something like that. If you don't know what is this, it should breaks like this. So these are the two types of butterfly patterns. One is bullish and second one is bearish. So let's open this image. Oh, just download here. So if you see pattern forming like this, like like forming like an M pattern, you see this the neckline here, then it's bullish. Okay, it drops down first when it completes a C wave, and from the D wave it goes up. So, and it's a bearish, this one is bearish. If you see this W at the beginning and you see the D wave completing, once the D wave is complete, you can short. So let me show you now in the chart. Look, this is a butterfly. So this is A, or maybe let me draw these lines here. Go here, select ABCD pattern. See, ABCD. Oh, sorry. Hold on, I just messed it. Yeah, here. A, B, C. So this is a C wave. This is a C wave. And from D wave, we can long. See, after, so look how many pips we can make after we long from the D wave. And wait for this scalper to turn green. One more retest to the downside. It turns green, and look at the pump. Big pump. See, easy. And this is a bullish butterfly, and that's why the color is green. And you will see the red butterfly, and you will see we can call it the bearish butterfly. So this is another bullish butterfly. Price pumps after that, and here is a bad pattern. After this A, B, C, D wave finish, we can short. And whenever this scalper change to the green, we exit. We take our profit. Sometimes the the volume is low. Here is a bat pattern. Here is a crab bat, and here is a crab bat. Here is a bearish, and here is a bullish. Here is a crab. Here is a cipher. So when you see, if you don't understand this pattern, just simply Google it. And with the help of a scalper, we can enter long or short. So I think this meeting timing is about to finish. So quick questions, please.
You sent a telegram regarding the altcoin. I think it's USDT. Not sure. We wasn't sure on how much we would need to send. We saw something that said $349 a year for membership. Can you explain that, please?
No, not for a year. That's for lifetime.
Okay.
Yeah, it's for the like 1000x tokens. So 1000x tokens works like this. So let's multiply. Let's do some math right now. Look, if you invest like $1,000 in the token, which token I send in the 1000x group, you invest like $1,000. 1,000, right? Hold on. Invest 1,000 and it becomes 1,000. It pumps like 1,000x. It becomes not just double, triple, not just 10x, not 100x. It becomes 1,000x. So that will make like $1 million in just 2 to 3 years. I'm just saying maximum time 2 to 3 years. Minimum time should be 1 year, and maximum time should be 3 years. We can get $1 million if we are patient enough. If we are not patient enough, we can exit with the 20x, 50x, 80x. Most of my coins went up to 80x already in just 2 months. 80 times more profit, not just like a 100, 200%. It's like a 800%, not 800. I'm sorry. 8,000%. It's called 80x profit. And the more pump about to come in some coins. And the meeting is about to finish. Maybe we need to rejoin the call.